So today I am working on 4 canvases. They are 18 by 18 inch, so I have a total of 36 by 36 inches. I have my black, gold, and white paint all mixed up. I have 3 containers this time. The last time I did this, I only used 1 container and mixed all of the colors in the 1 container. This time I'm going to do 1 color in each. I'm going to start with the black, and then I will do the gold and the white, so that hopefully the white will show up against the black and the gold. So I have my containers taped off. My husband drilled a hole in the bottom for me. It's about 1/4 inch wide. And we'll just get some paint in here. Oh boy, do we have a funnel? I'm gonna dump this everywhere. Yeah.
If not, there's a little over here.
Yes, okay, so to make this a little bit easier, I'm going to funnel this in so that I don't just dump my paint everywhere. There we go. And I'm using quite a bit of paint. It definitely took more paint than I thought it would the first time around. So if I have leftover paint in my containers, I'll just save it for another pour. Oh, that's gonna be nice. And we will just tie my lid on there and decide what angle I want to do this from. What angle should I do it from? Back here? Like this? And swing it? Okay. Ooh, that's nice. What? Nothing. So I think the gold, I'm gonna let this go, but the gold I'm gonna go from the other direction so that those other 2 canvases get some paint on them too. Look at that. That looks better than my first one. Okay. So carefully, I will grab this off. And, oh, I actually used up almost all the paint on that. So that was quite a bit. So I'm just gonna take the black one off here. And now, we'll get this gold. I don't want the black going in here. Just gonna rinse it out. Okay. So, about that. Okay, so this one we're gonna go from the opposite direction. And hopefully not spill all over in my white paint. I think next time I'll have to try letting the layers dry in between. I don't know, do you think I should add white to that or just leave it? Okay, so I do have have some gold paint left over in here, so I'm gonna just put it back in the container. That's pretty cool. Even like the random drips, I don't even care.